So guys, what are you supposed to do in this game? Well, you see, Hilda, what you need to do is put letters to form a word onto the board there. The less common the letters, the more points you get. There's also the double and the triple letters. If your letter gets onto those, they'll get either double on the double letter or triple on the triple one. And there's also the double word and the triple word. If your word gets onto those, they get double or triple points. I guess we should begin then, I suppose. I'll go first. So guys, is it possible to spell the word fuck later? No, Daniel, you're not spelling that. Be a bit more appropriate, Daniel. Okay, fine. So that gets me 16 points. Looks like it's my go next. That would be 12 points. Okay, Daniel, looks like it's your go next. Guys, something's happening to the letter F there. F! Guys, why is F so angry? Because I swallowed his best friend N after I mistaked it for a goldfish. Daniel, you're such an idiot. F! Okay, I'll spit him out. I'm sorry to both you and N.